Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your Google business profile not publicly visible. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser on your PC and search for your business using its name. Your business should start appearing on the screen. The main issue causing this problem is often incomplete information. To resolve this, click on the Edit Profile button located on the left side of the screen. A dialog box will appear where you need to enter all of the required information. Make sure to fill in all fields and then save your changes. Another important step is verifying your business. To do this, click on the three dots icon, which will open a menu. From this menu, select your Business Profiles option. A new window will display all of your available businesses. If you see that your business profile is not verified, simply click on the Verify button located on the right side. Once you complete these steps, your Google business profile should become publicly visible. So that's basically how you can fix your Google business profile not publicly visible. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks,